Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy, and it finally arrived, the Ice Genie. Robin will be here later to see the results, but I really didn't figure we needed two of us to freeze some water. The Ice Genie is a space-saving ice cube maker. Ooh. So back in April, Angie, a loyal viewer, contacted us and asked us to review the Ice Genie. I ordered it that day. It is now the end of July. So I did get a couple messages from the company saying it was back ordered, but to be honest, I really didn't think I would ever receive it. So when I got it today, I was super excited. This little thing here is supposed to replace 7 of these. We'll see. So there's really not much to it. You have the cylinder, the chamber, and the lid. And it also came with these cute little tongs. Very cute to get the ice out. So what you want to do first is remove the cylinder. This came with it, this little cool tip. It does say prior to first use, you may have a difficult time removing the cylinder from the Ice Genie. So let's see. But once it's frozen, it becomes easier to remove. This was $19.99 plus shipping and handling, which I think came to $24.99. A little pricey, but I have seen this advertised heavily on social media, and I do love little ice, so I usually buy Sonic ice to keep at home. So I was kind of excited to try this, see if I could have little ice cubes. So it's budging, it's budging. Here it comes, yay! Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, at first I thought there was a bottom to this, but no, that is not the case. So here is the chamber where the ice freezes. I am gonna wash this. It has a little bit of a, I don't know, plasticky smell to it. So I'll be right back. Okay, it's all washed. It still has a little bit of that smell, but like I hold it up like you can smell it too or something. But anyway, we'll see. Maybe, hopefully the ice doesn't taste funny. Oh, there we go. We gotta make sure you push it down in there. It's sealed. It doesn't say how much water this holds, but I am gonna measure it, and I'm gonna see what a regular ice tray holds as well. So after the ice freezes, you can dump it out, then store it in here and make more. It can hold up to 3 batches, which would equal 120 ice cubes. Small ice cubes. I'm gonna try not to spill it because then there's little holes. And it's full. All right, so that was 4 ounces. That does not seem like a lot. Now, let's see what your average ice cube tray will hold. And that holds, it was 12 ounces. So 4 ounces of water in the Ice Genie compared to 12 ounces of water in an ice tray. I'm not exactly sure where they're getting 3 batches of these would replace 7 ice trays. So here's the lid, so your ice doesn't pick up any weird flavors from your freezer. Well, it almost be better if this was like a screw-on lid, but I guess whatever the chamber is made out of, it's kind of like it's very pliable. It's kind of like a plasticky silicone. I don't know how to describe it. It's a little challenging. Maybe. Yes. Yes. Oh, shit. Oops. To the freezer. It says it should take 4 to 6 hours to freeze. All right. I have it in there, the Ice Genie and the regular ice cube trays. So So it's been a little over 4 hours. It says to remove the lid. That was pretty easy. After you remove the lid, you press firmly. I hear some cracking. All right, now it says to twist left, right. I could have already dumped out like 3 trays of ice from a regular ice tray by now. Feel maybe a little leak on the bottom. Oh, what just happened there? Aha! Let's see. Ooh. What the? Oh boy. So there was a... Okay, obviously this was not sealed tight at the bottom. This ice shouldn't be there. Very big. Which, okay, see, so this did not get any ice. Let's see what I have in here. Well, this is very disappointing. Try it again. All right, so here, you can see the size of the cubes. All right. It says to stick your hand in here to make sure it's sealed to the bottom. It is sealed. Not gonna lie, I'm getting a little frustrated with this thing. All right, it's sealed. I'm gonna try the second batch. Put the other ice in the freezer so it wouldn't melt while I was doing this. Okay, it's full. And there is a little in the bottom. So I'm gonna put the ice, first batch that I made, back in here. That's the whole idea of it. But now it's basically all stuck together. All right, I'm gonna pour a little. All right, so this is basically our first batch again. Put the lid back on, wait another 4 hours, and we'll see what happens. I forgot to mention earlier, I did get an email asking if we were gonna review this, and I said that we were, and he asked if we would try something else. And it says in the directions, it's just to make ice, but I told him I would try it. So if you watch until the end, you'll see what that is, and we'll see together if it works or not. All right, lid's on, going back in the freezer. Okay, here's batch 2. You know, as hard as the lid is to get on, it doesn't like to stay on. So let's see if this one turned out any better at all. But again, it leaked. Here it comes. All right. And oh my God. It's again. That's it. Didn't I pour some in here? I don't know what happened to that. On the first batch, I think I poured some in here. I don't know what happened. Okay, if you haven't picked up on it, I am clearly frustrated with this product. I'm not gonna make another batch. I really don't see the point. Let me show you something. How is that possible for this to sit flat in the bottom when they have these little feet on the bottom? And this is flat on the bottom. It's not like these sit into some type of groove or something. They don't. I'm missing something? they don't. So of course something's gonna leak out the bottom. I don't get it. But anyway, the commercial claims that it will replace seven ice cube trays. So I have 4 here. So let's see if it will even hold 4. Oh wow, the ice is out. Oh look, so hard. It's full with not even 1.5. Where? I don't understand. I'm so confused by this commercial. I'm gonna link the commercial in the description below if you haven't seen it. Something it could be useful for, they showed in the commercial. If you wanted to keep a bottle of wine cold, okay, because there's gonna be ice at the bottom because it leaks, and then ice around the side. Well, maybe ice. Anyway, it even said it would hold a pint of ice cream. Yes, it does. But let's take the lid off the pint of ice cream. Yeah, so your whole family can enjoy it. Okay, like I said earlier, I did get a message from Dan asking us to try something else. So give me a second and we're gonna try it. I'm back. I was asked to try to make Jell-O shots with it. Figured, why not? In the directions, it says made for ice only. Only use the Ice Genie ice cube maker as described in this manual. Well, I need to find something to do with this, so let's give it a try. I'm gonna pour this in here and we'll see. Obviously, I'm not gonna freeze this. I'm just gonna refrigerate it. This could be a big old disaster, but you know, that's all right. All right, well, I'm gonna refrigerate this and see what happens. All right, so here it is. This could be fun, I don't know. Jell-O shots in the Ice Genie, we'll see. I don't think it's gonna work, but we'll see. Jell-O's gonna go everywhere. All right, here we go. It sounds gross. It's like is it ASMR? It's so gross. Maybe it's not done, I don't know. But how's it gonna get out of here? So Dan, to answer your question, no, Jell-O shots don't work. Okay, I'm not even gonna bring Robin in on this one. If you're new to the channel, Robin is my partner, but we were freezing water, so I think it only takes one of us to do that. I like to try to find some positive and everything. It's top rack dishwasher safe. That's all I got. So, sorry, but this is a big old thumbs down. If you've used this, have different results, please let me know if I'm doing something wrong. I would be happy to know that I was doing something wrong, but honestly, I don't think I am. Like I said, this is being advertised heavily on social media, so you might want to share with your friends this video just to save them some money. $24.95, not worth $1. So anyway, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.